Alright guys, here it goes. I did not get my last solo pack. It just was not in the cards for me. So, without further ado, let us open up the packs that I do have. See if maybe the gods will be in my favor and give me red anyway, right? First couple of packs are always kind of worthless. Let's see. 2 more babies.
A rare find.
Nice.
Rare card, too. Rare, that's it. Just a rare. You stacked, new kid.
Well, the anticipation is just about killing me.
A rare? Save that for later.
Look at that. Not even a chance for the new card. You'd think they'd tell you if there was any hope of getting one, so hope shattered.
That's good. Now open some more. Rare, rare, rare. Epic? That'll help. Only a rare? Pff.
Alright, on to the team packs. I just want to give a shout out to the 10 people on the team who actually finished the event. We got a couple new people on there, Rebitsu and Derek Suck. Obviously does not suck. You guys, good job. Good job, team. Seriously rock this event. Look at that. Us sad people down here who did not finish the event. Feeling you guys. Alright, let's do this.
More rare than a common, right?
Really gotta stop giving away my babies.
Nice, a rare.
She is a card that I use in my regular deck. Probably worth level 6ing. Though every time I concentrate
Rare
on a
is
good
good.
card, they decide to nerf it. I'm sure you all feel my pain.
Wow, epic. Rare, that's a start.
Last pack. Oh, look at this one. Chance for new card. This video could be much more exciting if we got that fiery legendary. We're gonna turn these cards extra slow.
I mean,
look at
it's
that.
no
Okay,
legendary.
first one, epic.
Can't have too many rares.
9 babies. Come on, I'm
Whoa,
feeling
nice
magic.
rare.
Let's go.
Rare, like how often Kenny showers.
Oh boy, guys.
The more packs you open, the more epics you get.
It was not there, guys. I am so sorry I didn't finish my solo event. You know, this video would have just been so much better with the legendary, like I said. All in all, pretty decent rewards. I'd say this last pack really had some good, even materials. Getting the 2 epics, that was worth it. 9 babies, I mean, that was a good drop. Alright, till next time.